Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is what to do when Insignia TV won't turn on. So, first one is make sure the TV is plugged into a working outlet, and you can just simply test the outlet with another device to confirm it has power. Another one is examine the power cord for visible damage. So if damaged, just simply replace it with a compatible one. Another one is unplug the TV and then press and hold the power button on the TV, not on the remote, for 30 seconds, and you can just simply release the button and plug the TV back in and turn it on. Another one is replace the TV remote batteries and ensure the remote is pointing directly at the TV. And now, also just make sure the TV is set to the correct input source, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Now, if the TV feels hot, allow it to cool down and then try turning it on again. Now, if any of these doesn't work, just simply go through the settings, system, advanced system settings, factory reset, and just simply perform a factory reset. There you go, see ya.